Good morning, students. We have already learned about chapter 2, right? Nouns. And today we are going to write the textbook part. Okay? See, exercise A. Draw a line to match the common names with the correct place of work. Okay? See here, farmer. Where will farmer work? Yes, he work in the field, right? Farmer work in the field, right? So we have to match farmer field. Okay, now cook, where will he work? Yes, he works in the kitchen, right? So match soldier. Yes, he works in the army, right? Match it. Clown, clown, you know clown? Yes, in the circus show we can see the clown. So match. Okay. Nurse, where can we see the nurse and where will he or she work? In the hospital, right? Okay, match it. Then baker. Yes, he works in the bakery. He bakes the cakes and all, right? So, bakery. Police officer. He works in the police station, right? Okay, now we completed matching. Now see B. Use the help box and write the names of these places. So this is the help box. So with the help of this box we have to write the places. Okay, place is also a noun, right? So see here, what is this picture? Yes, it is a hospital, right? So write the spelling of hospital here. Hospital, hospital. Okay. Now second picture, what is this? Yes, it is a school. See the school bus. So this is a school. So this is school. See the school. Write the school spelling SCHOOL, school. Then what is this? See, what is this picture? Yes, it is a bank, right? See, it is a bank. So, bank spelling we have to write here. BANK, bank. And next, so what is this picture? Yes, it is a post office, right? Yes, right here, post office spelling. POST, post. OFF, ICE, post office. Okay. Next, what is this picture, students? Yes, see, it is a beach. So, write BEACH, beach. Okay. And this is, we all now know this place. Where? It is a zoo, right? See the animals? Yes, write the spelling of zoo. Set O Sue. Okay. Now turn the next page, students. Fill in with the right letters. Okay. Name the place where you live. Where will you live? Yes, we live in a house, right? So H, clue given here. So spelling of house, HOUSE, house. Every letter must be capital. Why? Because first letter H they given capital letter. Okay. Name the place where you study. Where will you study? School, right? SCHOOL, school. Okay. Next, C. Write the name of the correct animal from the help box. So, from the help box, we have to write the correct animals. Animal is also a noun, right? So, see here, a dash eats cheese. Who? Yes, rat, right? So, write the spelling of rat here. R-A-T, rat. Okay. I like to ride a dash. See, what? In which animal we will ride? Yes, horse, right? Horse. Horse. Okay. A dash has a hump. Which animal has a hump back at the back? Camel, right? So write the spelling of camel here. C-A-M-E-L, camel. The dash has a mane. So what? Yes, a lion has a mane. Okay. Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Next. The dash has a long neck. Which animal has a long neck? Yes, a giraffe. Write the spelling of giraffe. 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 Next, put the name for each thing and write next to this picture. So, see, with the help box, we have to write the names. Okay. See here, students. What is this picture? Yes, it is a doll. So write the spelling of doll. D-O-L-L. Doll. Okay. Next, what is this? It is a bowl, right? So write the spelling of bowl. Bowl spelling where? Yes, B-O-W-L. Bowl. Okay. Now, third picture, see? Yes, it is a drum. So, drum spelling what? D-R-U-M. Drum. D-R-U-M. Drum. And what is this? You all like this, right? It is a kite. So, kite where? Here. Okay. K-I-T-E. Kite. Next, what is this, students? Yes, it is a door. No? See? It is a door. So, door where? Yes, here it is. D-O-O-R. Door. Then what is this? Yes, it is a key, right? Key where? Key spelling? Yes, here. Okay. K-E-Y. Key. Okay. And next, see here, students. E. Circle the odd one out and write it in the given blank. So we have to circle the odd one. Okay, see here. Fork, spoon, plate, box. So these three are in the same category. See, spoon, fork we use for what, dining. We put this in the dining table, right? But box will be put? No, it is the odd one, right? So we have to circle the odd one. First of all, we have to circle. Then we have to write the same in the blank here. Okay, write the spelling of box. B-O-X, box. Next, kite, doll, ball, pen. So what is the odd one here? Kite, doll, ball. This we use for playing. We will use for to play, right? But pen we won't use to play. We use pen to write, right? So pen is the odd word here. So circle it and write the spelling of pen here. P-E-N, pen. Okay. Next, bun, pencil, scale, eraser. So what is the odd word here? Pencil, scale, eraser we used to write and all, right, for study. But bun, no, it is an odd one, right? So circle the odd one here, which is bun, and write here bun, bun. Okay. Next, tiger, lion, goat, fox. So tiger, lion and fox, these three are wild animals, but goat is a domestic animal. So goat is the odd word here. Okay, circle it and write here GOAT, goat. Okay. Table, shoes, sandals, sneakers. So what is the odd word here? Yes, see here, table, shoes, sandals, sneakers. These three are for chappal items, right? Sandals, sneakers, shoes, all we wear. But table we can't. See, so table is the odd word here. So write the odd word here, TABLE, table. Okay. Next, F. Underline the common noun in the following sentences. So here in these sentences we have to underline the common noun. Okay, see, that girl is tall. So here noun is girl, but this is not a, what type of noun it is? It is a common noun. So we have to underline girl. Girl name is not mentioned. That's why girl is a common noun. Next, my computer is new. So computer is the common noun. Why? Computer name is not mentioned. So this is a common noun. The aeroplane is big. Aeroplane is the common noun. Why? Because aeroplane name is not mentioned. Only aeroplane given here. So this is the common noun. The doctor is fat. So doctor name mentioned or not? No, no special name. So we have to underline doctor because it is a common noun. His house is small. So his house is small. So what is the common noun here? House, right? So underline house name not mentioned. So house is the common noun. The post office is closed. So what is the common noun here? Post office is the common noun. Post office name not mentioned here. Special name is not there. Next, grandfather is sleeping. So what is the common noun here? Grandfather. So underline grandfather name not given. So grandfather is the common noun. Okay. The duck is cute. So what is the noun here? Duck. It is what noun? Common noun. Why common noun? Because the name is not mentioned here. Okay, students. Now turn the next page. Read the sentences and underline the special names. Special names means what, students? Proper nouns. Okay. Special names means a proper name will be given. See here, Raju is a man. So, what is the special name given here? Proper noun, Raju. So, we have to underline the proper noun. Next, Peter is a boy. So, what is the proper noun given here? Peter. This is the special name. Name is given. Okay. For this boy. Boy is the common noun. So, Peter is the proper noun. Okay. Riti is a girl. So, girl. Who is a girl? Riti. Specially, the name is given. So, we can underline Riti. This is the proper noun. Sally is a woman. So what is the noun here? Woman and Sally. But we have to underline the proper noun. So proper special name is given Sally. So we have to underline what? Sally. Okay. And next, Dr. Gupta is a doctor. So this is the proper noun. Dr. Gupta. A particular name is given, so that is Dr. Gupta. So we underlined this as a special name. Okay. Captain Sharma is a soldier. So who is a soldier? Captain Sharma. So the name is given. So this is the proper noun. Okay students. Now H. Rewrite the proper nouns correctly. So we have to rewrite the proper nouns correctly. Okay. See, you have to remember that Swami. This is a proper noun. We have to use capital letters for writing proper noun. Is it? So, shall we write? Yes, yes, here small letter is given. So, we have to use S as capital letter. Why? Because it is a proper noun. Okay? Swami. Swami spelling what? S-A-M-M-Y. Sami. Not Swami, Sami. S-A-M-M-Y. Sammy. Okay. Next. Sammy after what is this? Rita. Rita. R. It is a proper noun. So here small letter is given. We have to use capital letter here. Okay. R-I-T-A. Rita. Okay. Next. Dr. Aman. So Dr. Aman is a proper noun. So we will use capital letter. Okay. Dr. Doctor. Aman A capital letter. A-M-A-N Aman. Okay. Why we used A and D capital letters here? Here small letter is given there. No. Why? Because we have to use capital letters for proper noun. Okay. Next, and Millie. And Millie. So, and is not a proper noun. So, it is a common noun. We can use small letter for and. A-U-N-T. And. Millie is a proper noun. Right? Millie is a proper noun. So, we have to use capital letter for M. M-I-L-L-Y. Millie. Okay. Next. Sunita. Sunita is a proper noun. Special name. So, yes, capital letter. S-U-N-I-T-A. Sunita. Okay. Next, December. December is a month. I told you that month, mountains and all we have to use the capital letters, right? So, D capital letter. D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. December. Okay. December. Now, I. Match the color, the related boxes with the same color. So, we have to match the colors with the related boxes. Okay. See here. Girl. Exercise I. Okay. Here Indian. Indian what? Yes. It is an ocean, right? So we have to see, first of all we have to color Indian. Okay. Take your crayons or pencils and color this box. Okay. Okay. With the same we are matching Indian what? Ocean, right? Indian Ocean. So it is an ocean. So we have to color same color to this box also. Indian Ocean. We are matching with colors. Okay. Okay, students, see Indian Ocean. Next, Everest. For Everest, we can take another color. Okay. Everest is what? It is a mountain, right? So Everest is a mountain. So first of all, we can color Everest. So see here, color it. Now Everest is a mountain. So here, this box also we have to color with the what? Same color we have to. Okay, apply. Okay, students. Next, we can take another color. Okay, January. January is a month, right? So color it first, January. Same color we have to use for matching. January is a month, so we have to use the same color. Okay. Next, take another color. Sunday. It is a week, right? Sunday is a day. No? See? Sunday. It is a day. So color it. Here same color. We are matching with the same color. Okay. In order to draw lines, we match the boxes with the colors. Okay. Okay. Next is Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a building. Take another color. Taj Mahal is a building. Okay. Same color to here building also. While you are coloring, you have to color slowly, okay, and neatly. Don't do like me, okay. Color it neatly, okay. Due to lack of time, I am scratching like this, okay. So you have to color it neatly, okay. We have already done this. So Indian Ocean. Everest, mountain. January, month. Sunday, day. Taj Mahal, building. Okay, students. Now, turn the next page. See in the next page what is there given. Okay, in the next page it is given what? See here, write the day before or after these days. So, we have to write the day. Saturday, Saturday after. Saturday after Sunday, right? So, write the spelling of Sunday. Yes, capital letter. Sunday, Sunday. Okay. Next, here Tuesday is given. Tuesday before what? Monday, right? So, Monday, M capital letter. Monday, Monday. Next, Wednesday after? Thursday, right? T capital letter. Thursday, Thursday. Okay. Next, Friday before? Before Friday, what will come? Thursday, right? Thursday, Thursday. T capital letter. Friday after? Yes, Saturday. Yes, capital letter. Saturday, Saturday. Next, Thursday before? Wednesday, right? W capital letter. Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday. So next, K. Write number 1 to 12 to tell the sequence of the months of the year. So, June, we have to write June. Tell me, what is the number which when the June will come? 1, 2, 3 or like that. We have to tell up to 12. Okay. June is the sixth month, right? So write here 6. June is the sixth month. January, first month, right? Number 1. September is ninth month. Okay. Next, see, August is 8th month, right? Then October is 10th month. March, 3rd month. November, 11th month. April, 4th month. And December, 12th month. December after again first month will start. Okay. May, 5th month. February, 2nd month. And July, 7th month. Okay. Now, draw a box around the proper noun in these sentences. We have to draw a box around. Okay. John lives in London. We have to draw boxes for proper nouns. Okay. John, particular name given. So, draw box John. London is also a particular name. So, draw box to London. Rohit is a judo teacher. So, here Rohit is a proper noun. Particular name is given. And teacher is the common noun. What teacher? Judo. So, proper noun here. Judo. Judo. It is a proper noun. So, but here printing mistake. So, judo J capital have to come here. It is a printing mistake. Okay. Now, turn the next page. Sunday is a holiday. Sunday is a holiday. So, what is the proper noun here? Proper noun is Sunday, right? So, give circle for Sunday. Box, okay, not circle. Draw a box. Ganga is a river. So, what is the proper noun here? Ganga. Circle it, okay. Sally will come in May. Sally is a proper noun, right? A particular name. And May is also a proper noun. Month, every month, proper noun. Ricky goes to Pragati school. So, Ricky is a proper noun, right? Circle it. Then, Pragati school. School name is mentioned here. What school? Pragati. So, Pragati is also a proper noun, okay? July is a hot month. So, July is a proper noun, okay? Ronnie is my friend. So, Ronnie is the proper noun. I went to Delhi. So, proper noun is what? Delhi. Okay. Draw box. Next, my mother met Mr. Gupta. So, here Mr. Gupta is the name specially given. So, Mr. Gupta is a proper noun. He is Gandhiji. Gandhiji is a proper noun. Okay. We will meet Mrs. Desai. So, who? Here proper noun Mrs. Desai. Okay. Mr. Sharma is my teacher. So, proper noun is Mr. Sharma. Not Mrs. Mr. Sharma. Okay. Pacific Ocean is very big. So, ocean name is what? Pacific. So, we have to Pacific Ocean. Okay. India Gate is a monument. So, India Gate is a proper noun. Okay, students. With this, we completed this lesson. Okay. And write neatly and with clearness. Okay. Have a nice day.